Hello everyone, it's Ryan with Frontline Animal Removal, and I want to show you a bad problem. Here we got 4 ripped up. That is raccoon feces, lots of it. Let me show you where they're getting into the house. Right there. It appears that the sill plate, which is the wood that rests on top of the foundation, has rotted out. So they're squeezing through here to get into the house. There's no easy fix for this. This is foundation work. So I'm going to put a temporary patch over this, just some scrap wood. It won't last very long. But if we look right there, there's a spot that's rotting. Then down there, there's another spot that's rotting. So here's a case where the raccoons are a symptom of a greater problem. How did I find this problem? Well, I found a dead raccoon in the basement. While walking around the basement, I noticed that one of the walls had a bunch of paw prints on it, and I had a strong draft. So I came outside. This is the wall where the strong draft was coming through. I pulled up the boards, and lo and behold, we got an opening into the basement from the ground. I got to come up with a temporary solution to keep the raccoons out until some foundation workers can come in and fix this for real. Thank you. Let me show you the temporary fix. That closes the gap until some foundation guys can get in here and fix it all up the right way. Thank you.